Hello everybody, this is Mr. Bowman. Today we're going to be looking at the ALEKS topic, the area of a parallelogram. So remember, a parallelogram we have dealt with before. So the most common ones we look at are rectangles and squares. So today we're going to be looking at a generic parallelogram. And how you approach it is, you see this piece here, sometimes it's on the inside, it's not a big deal. But what we're really kind of doing is we're going to cut off this triangle and move it over here to turn it into a rectangle. And after that, we get the same thing. So the area of a rectangle, we usually say is length times width. For a parallelogram, since we have slightly different pieces, we actually change it just slightly and we call it the base times the height, but it's the same idea. Okay. So the trick is, see there's three numbers here. We have to be very careful to make sure we pick the correct two to plug in. So here's how you want to find it. One of them is going to be a perpendicular height. That's our height itself. So right now that is 12. And then the base for this is going to be the side that's perpendicular to. So that would be the bottom here, which there's no number. But since this is a rectangle, this would be the same down here as 14. So our base is 14. Which may lead you to the question of, well, what about this 15? What do we do with that? So that thing's called the slant height. And honestly, nothing. We're not going to do anything with it for the area itself, because that's just telling us how long this kind of slice is here out of our rectangle. It doesn't actually change our area at all. It just changes how much it slopes here through our parallelogram. So we're going to kind of ignore that number. So then we come over here. Our area is going to be then 12 times 14. And then we'll make sure we have our units in here. So there's usually a drop down for that in ALEKS. So we come to our calculator, 12 times. Hit the right button, that would work better. 12 times 14.